Hello, Jenny, and thank you so much for being with us at Glee TV. Can you tell us a little bit about GIMA, and congratulations on becoming the president?
Oh, thank you. I'm really thrilled to be given the great accolade of being president this year. GIMA has been a really big influencing factor in my company's progress in this industry, and it was really the key prime reason why, firstly, I wanted to join as a council member, and then secondly, why I was thrilled to be given presidency. GIMA does a lot of work with all of the members and is a really supportive organisation. It's quite a challenging industry at times, and they do a lot to provide their members with a great deal of support, ways to connect, ways to promote their business, and I really wanted to be part of that. They've given us a lot in our journey from introduction to this industry, and that's primarily why I wanted to try and give back a little bit to the newer members that are coming on board who might also need the same support we've been given.
Talking to members, do you think sustainability has become a big agenda and talking point between members, and do you think that is driving product change and purchasing decisions as well?
Absolutely. So sustainability has been a hot topic on everyone's agenda and has been growing for probably the last 2 or 3 years in its popularity. It's a really big topic. It's very important to lots of both the members of GIMA, but also the customer and the consumer. And everybody wants to be doing the right thing for the environment. There's lots of different ways that occurs in. The product range is so diverse in gardening that people can help in a number of different ways. There's lots of really great recycled materials being used now in product, but there's also lots of really good initiatives ongoing with packaging, trying to reduce plastic in the world, and obviously the peat issue is a very topical one that lots and lots of members are helping to overcome at the moment. I think consumers are becoming more aware of it, and then that will continue to grow. And it's our job to help them understand that and to help them to appreciate that that's the right thing to do.
And in your own business, can you talk us through some sustainability measures that you have implemented?
So our entire range of garden products is made from recycled rubber. So our entire ethos is based around taking a product that's really, at the end of its life, it's just an object in landfill that takes a very long time to decompose, and turning it into beautiful products. So we produce a range of garden borders, planters, stepping stones. And whilst that in itself is a really great thing, the products that we produce are virtually indestructible. So for the consumer, they have planters in their garden that get knocked over by the children or blow over in the wind, and they will not damage. So not only are we giving a really strong sustainable message and helping to reduce problematic materials in the world, but we're giving a product that's got a real USP, and we're very proud of that.
And do you think we will see more of those kind of circular economy initiatives coming to the garden industry?
Definitely. I think plastic is a problem in the world. We all know that, and that more and more innovation is being developed with recycled plastic. That's a fabulous thing, and I'm sure the next problematic material or the next material that can be used in a recycled manner is already in progress with some business somewhere. So yeah.
In terms of opportunities in the garden industry, where do you think that is?
I think we've all got some challenges in the years to come. We've enjoyed a couple of really good years of demand, and COVID changed the way people bought. It also created a generation of gardener that we hadn't seen before, and that's a really, really positive thing for us all. Our job now is to excite the customer with our new products, our new innovations, keep bringing the newness, keep bringing them products that they want to buy and put in their gardens, and be really positive about driving customers back into the garden centres, back into the stores, because we've got an obligation to help our customers to keep their customers interested and coming in all the time.
And why are you at Glee this year? Why is it so special, we hope?
I love Glee. It's a really great platform to meet with our customers, to meet with the supply base. It's a great industry. It's a very collaborative industry, and it's nice to be here and ensure that we can show our customers our development and all our ideas we've been working on. It's a fabulous platform for that. All the initiatives that Glee do this year, like the new product awards, there's lots of new and exciting people here this year. So I had a walk around to the innovators area yesterday, and there's some really great new startup businesses there that are producing products that are not already on the market, and they're the kind of products that are going to entice customers into the garden centres, give us all a fresh approach to what they're seeing in these centres.
Thank you so much, Jenny, for being with us here at Glee TV, and thank you for watching.
Thank you.